So you're watching the new local anime season and you're beginning to question why you're watching the 10th isekai yet again. But those bastards, as you're watching your new favorite show, they spent 80% of the anime budget just on the food scene B-roll. And now, they're starving. Well, how about we make you some food from some anime? Let's start with one of the oldest, a little-known anime known as Cooking Master Boy, where a young boy, Lee Mao-shang, wanted to become the very best legendary chef like nobody ever was. So let's make his golden fried rice with a little bit of a zuzu twist. Make sure you have some nice day-old rice. Chop up your shallots and garlic for all of that aromatic flavor and some Chinese sausage. This show would lay the foundation for other cooking-related anime such as Yakitate Japan, as well as Shokugeki no Soma. To cheat a little bit, we're going to separate our yolks from our egg whites. Shh. You also won't know if you add just a little bit of turmeric. Get that enhanced golden flavor. But make sure you coat your rice with all of the yolk and set aside. Cooking Master Boy was also known as Chuka Ichiban, which also means best in Chinese. Once done, fry up those ingredients, remembering to toss and toss them. You gotta have that wok pei. Fire is the essence of all Chinese cooking, but unfortunately we only have a regular electric stove. So we're gonna have to make up for it with technique. Serve with a lot of green onions, some soy sauce, and sesame oil.